I like Mamila. That's why I'm massaging Mamila.
Kuya ni basi mapislit ug maayo na akong mga ugat ron kay raba kain ni.
Dude, give me barbershop.
Grabe naman pagkamasagsa ni oy.
See?
Grabe ra ba ang energy ani? Uy, Diyos ko. Massage good. Oh.
Mamila, can I come in your bed?
You talk while you massage. Say hi naman dyan.
Hi.
What can you say today?
Hi, my grandma and Tita Beagle. And Papa
Who's grandma,
Dum Dum, and
that
Tita
one?
Bibs and Iya and every Filipino fan.
Who grandma? I'm here. Who grandma? What the name?
Rosemary.
Rosemary. Hello, Mads. Hi daw kay Mads Rosemary. Sabi ni sa grandma niya. Don't do like that. We are in the massage. We are in the what naman ni? Saan ni? Manicure o pedicure? Delikado na ni akong tiil ani. Pastilanan jud oh. Pwerte jud mag-massage na akong apo, guys. Ang tawa niyo. Thank you, Sak, for take care of Mamila. Ang isa na adri gahigda o kapugikan sa school. Okay.
Bye, Filipino fans. Thanks for watching.
So, yung apo ko, guys, nag-massage na yan sa akin. Tignan mo yan mag-massage. Ayusin mo pag-massage, Sak. What are you doing massage like that? Massage nicely. Good massage. Good massage, Sak. Pastilan. Kasi yung apo na to nga mag-massage ato. Pastilan. Usa naman oy. Yung usa naman akong tiil, oy. Are you okay? Say hi to your Filipino fans.
Hi, Filipino fans.
What is that? Pastilan. Usa maning gilantaw, oy. You say something. Pastilan. Mura mag-focus to kayo.
Hi, Filipino fans. Hi, Filipino massager fans.
So, like that, you massage Mamila?